Hello, my name is Hugo and I'm co-founder of Urbest. Urbest it's a collaborative platform for services and maintenance. It's a website and an app to help people to get jobs done faster in real estate for maintenance, services and refurbishment. Our value proposition is about simplicity, efficiency and productivity. So what we do is that we simplify jobs to be performed, we collect them, make it simple to dispatch, to know what needs to be done, where and by whom, and then make sure things get done easily with simple interaction and a good flow of communication between people to, in the end, solve things, get jobs done about 30 to 50% faster and to save 1 hour per day for workers. The pain points we address are about unstructured data, about bad feedback loop, and about the absence or lack of production of data. So the first point, unstructured data, that means often people have multiple entry points to make requests with SMS, emails, talking to someone, giving a phone call, which gives a lot of things in every direction, which are very difficult in the end to give good services and track what happens. The second problem, it's about informing people. Very often, people don't get a feedback loop about what happens to their request, especially when it's coordinating more than 2-3 people. It gets even more difficult to have a view of what happens. And the last point, it's still very spread. It's about the lack of data, and data is key to improve yourself, because if you don't know anything, if you can't measure it, you can't improve it. So the capability to structure this data, give a good feedback loop, and ultimately produce data, that's the 3 pain points we tackle. Today, Urbest is present in France, in Belgium, in the UK, and starting activity in Brazil and Morocco. We've got use case in refurbishment, in commercial buildings, and also in schools. So with more than 4,000 users and daily usage, we have multiple use cases developed, and all of them are always related to facility management, refurbishment, and coordinating tasks between people. People who get in touch with Urbest are usually service providers, facility managers, property managers, and asset owners. Each of them have some reasons. Service providers, it's about productivity and bringing better satisfaction to their end users. And for the other category, what we would call supervisors, property manager or asset owners, they have some interest in having good collaboration between all the stakeholders. They have to make work together. So it's also a question of putting the right ecosystem, the right platform to put all the people at work together. This year of pandemic was interesting because it showed people could accelerate the way they use technology, to use video conference, to use electronic signature, and in your case it allows us to sign deals even without seeing our clients. It was done, so that shows it's feasible. It accelerates also the way users consider technology in the sense they can try things more easily. They can take a software, start the same day, and it's things that were not really in the mind of people 2 years ago. So today, I think it accelerated the mindset for people to use good technology, something easy to use. And for us, it was quite an advantage because it accelerated the maturity of users and the way they can consider technology to help them. After nearly 5 years of Urbest, what's interesting is to see the evolution of people in real estate, mostly through services and refurbishment, as far as we are concerned. And what we noticed is that there is a trend for a concentration of data at buildings level. In the past, it was mostly at the suppliers level. Now, building owners want to concentrate data, stack them up, to be able to action services, to have IoT devices, to have better energy consumption management. So we really pay attention to this trend of building operating system, because we can play a good role in the sense that Urbest can manage all services for a building. And we also pay attention to new trends in collaboration, not only in our industry, but also with all the new development of collaborative software for design through a WhatsApp group or other communication. There are some new trends in the way people work, and it's also coming in real estate with how people collaborate. For us, we strongly believe in collaborative work, and we think it's the future compared to the past, which was each person in their silos, and today it's about more collaboration with more people. So we also pay attention to other sectors which can give us good insight about what the future of work could be in real estate.